here? Oh, crikey, look at these. Why, it's a patch of Bigfoot hair on a branch. I think it may be leading the way, because I'm finding tons of hair. Well, they're all pretty hairy. Whoa, stringy. To our hairiest cousins. Alright, let's keep moving and see if we can find a Bigfoot. Or possibly even a cave. Oh wow, Dexter. Oh my god. Take a look. It's amazing. This is it. It's a real beaut. This is where Bigfoot sleeps. Wow. Let's see, is this a sock? By George, it's one hairy sock. That's a huge sock! Holy smokes! Look at the size of that thing! It's covered in hair. Look! It looks like the bloke likes Burger King! He does! Oh wow. I think we should collect this sock for evidence. Let's get it. Alright. It's covered in stickies. Alright, this is back to the lab for us. This is definitely a big find for Bigfoot scientists. I think we'll be on the cover of Time magazine. I think so. We gotta get back. We got our work cut out for us. We do. Let's go. Let's go.